Dear students, in last class we started string efficiency. Before that, we studied the voltage distribution across the different units of string insulators. There, we have calculated for m equal to 5, V2 equal to 1.2 V1, V3 equal to 1.64 V1 and V4 equal to 2.408 V1. From these relationships between V2, V3, V4 and V1, we understand that as we go down from the cross arm to the conductor, the voltage across each unit goes on increasing. To improve the string efficiency, it is necessary to make the voltage across all the units equal. Today we will study how the voltages across each unit can be made equal in the second method of improving string efficiency, that is grading of units. We know the relationship between charge Q capacitance C and voltage across capacitor V, that is Q equal to C into V, or V is equal to Q by C, which means that if I decrease the capacitance of a capacitor for given charge, the voltage across capacitor will increase. V increases if C decreases, or if C increases, V decreases. For m equal to 5, we have seen V2 is equal to 1.2 V1, V3 equal to 1.64 V1, V4 equal to 2.408 V1. To make all these voltages equal, we have to increase the value of voltage across the units which are near the cross arm, that is near to the top. That can be achieved by decreasing the capacitance of units as we go upward or vice versa. In other words, we can say that each unit used in string insulator should be so designed that they have got different capacitances, and those capacitances are to be arranged in the ascending order from top to bottom. That is, unit having lowest capacitance should be kept at the top. If unit having lowest capacitance is placed at the top and slightly higher capacitance than that below it, and so on, the voltage across each unit can be balanced. This is called as grading of units. This is called as grading of units. Looking at these relationships and the relation between C and V, we can say that V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5 can be made equal by using the units designed in such a way that they have capacitances in ascending order from top to bottom. Arranging the units from top to bottom in their ascending order of capacitances to equalize the voltage across each unit is called as grading the units. Now we will derive a general expression for value of capacitance of n plus 1th unit. Let us consider the string insulator here with the different units replaced by their equivalent capacitances. And also let us assume that here the units are graded for equal voltages across them. That is why voltage across first unit, voltage across nth unit, voltage across n plus 1th unit are all equal. Here the capacitance of first unit is C1, capacitance of second unit is C2, and so on. Capacitance of the nth unit is Cn, and capacitance of n plus 1th unit is Cn plus 1. Whereas the capacitance between the cross arm and the metal pin is capital C. Now for this arrangement here, which is made for equal voltage across each unit, we will write an expression for current In plus 1. The current small in plus 1 may be written as capital In plus small in. The small in plus 1 is equal to voltage across this capacitor Cn plus 1 into omega C, and In is equal to voltage across capital C into omega C. Voltage across capital C is equal to voltage across the junction after capacitor Cn and cross arm, and there are n units. Voltage across each unit is V. Therefore, the voltage here will be means voltage across the junction and this cross arm will be equal to n into V, n into capital V, because voltage across each unit is capital V and there are n units. Now let us calculate the relationship for different unit capacitance for equal potential across each unit. I hope you all have drawn the figure which I have shown few minutes back from the textbook. With reference to that figure, figure above shows the different capacitance units. If the voltage across each unit is capital V, we can have relation for nth unit as small in plus 1 equal to capital In plus small in, and small in plus 1 is equal to voltage across n plus 1th unit into omega into capacitance of n plus 1th unit, that is equal to in plus small in. In is current through capital C after the nth unit. Voltage across this capacitor is Vn and therefore current is Vn into omega C. But this Vn we can also write as small n into capital V, as we have discussed earlier, plus capital V into, because In is current through nth unit, voltage across nth unit is capital V into omega Cn. Now you can cancel here omega, omega and omega. And we can write for Cn plus 1 equal to replacing this Vn by n into V into C plus V into Cn. Here capital V is multiplied with Cn plus 1, that I will show here as denominator. If I take common this capital V outside, then I can cancel capital V and capital V. So Cn plus 1 is equal to n into C plus Cn. This is general expression for capacitance of n plus 1th unit. Grading of units is also called capacitance grading. This method of improving the efficiency will result in the need for large stock of different sizes of units. Which overweighs the advantage of string insulators. In practice, this method is used for very high voltage lines. See here, it is possible that in a string of insulators, any insulator gets mechanically damaged. In that case, that particular unit of insulator will have to be replaced. If all the units in an insulator string are of same size, then if we have few units in the stock, we can make use of any one unit when a unit in insulator string gets damaged for replacement. But if different sized insulators are used, in that case we cannot fit there any type of insulator. We will have to replace that damaged insulator by another insulator of same size, which means that in the stock we should try to have always different sized units in a large number. That means cost of the stock will increase, and this cost overweighs the advantage of string insulators. Whatever the advantage we are getting by using string insulators, that advantage will be overweighed by the cost of the stock. More cost of the stock is always an disadvantage because we have to invest more money on the stock. Now I request all of you to copy down this problem, that is example 11.2. You can pause and then write. Okay. A suspension type insulator is having 3 units and the value of pin to earth capacitance is C. If the capacitance of top unit is 5C, find the capacitance of each unit to make the string efficiency 100%. Solution. In this problem, we are given with number of units equal to 3 or n is equal to 1 to 3, that is n varies from 1 to 3. Pin to earth capacitance is given. Pin to earth capacitance is equal to capital C and capacitance of top unit is 5C, which means for n equal to 1, capacitance of the unit is 5C. Now we have to find the remaining capacitances. Now we have to find the remaining capacitances, that is C2 and C3 we have to find out. We know that Cn plus 1 is equal to n into C plus Cn. For n equal to 1, C1 plus 1 equal to 1 into C plus C1. That is C2 equal to C plus C1, but C1 is given as 5C. So we get here C2 equal to 6C. For n equal to 2, C2 plus 1 equal to 2 into C plus C2, that is 2C plus 6C, and this is equal to 8C. That means C3 is equal to 8C. For this what we are using? We are using formula Cn plus 1 equal to n into C plus Cn. Dear students, with the solution of this problem, I will stop the class and continue in the next class with the remaining two methods of improving string efficiency. Thank you.